I think almost 10% of the company is now made up of people who have founded their own businesses before, often raising venture capital money. So I think it's starting to snowball now because we have this insanely high talent density that other people look at that and think, I want to be part of that. Recently, we've raised a venture fund purely to back future Omneans businesses. So once you've done 5 years at Omnea and you've performed well, I will lead your pre-seed round with a group of some of the best investors in the world to get it off the ground.
What was your founder journey before Omnea?
So before Omnea, I co-founded an Axel-backed fintech company. So I'd raised $4.5 million. I was CEO of a CLM. We raised 3 rounds of funding led by Goldman.
I think I was fortunate enough to have the experience of founding my own company, backed by some of the best investors like Sequoia.
Previously, I was a founder, and I feel as if this role really gives me the opportunity to basically have my own little business in an environment that's really, really supportive.
Yeah, I've been a founder for 4 years prior to this, going through Y Combinator. I definitely want to found again, but right now, the opportunity at Omnia is just massive.
Why did you join Omnea?
So I think it was quite an intentional search for me, especially since, I come from Singapore, so it's a 18-hour flight all the way here. Not looking at it from a 5-year timeline, but if you look at it from a 30-year timeline, if you could just spend 2 years amongst really smart and really good people, how much of a compounding effect that might have in your life, in your career.
I have the opportunity to see and learn from, honestly, the best people I've worked with, and that's going to set me up if I ever wanted to go and do that again. I think Omnia is a crash course in learning how to become commercial, how to sell a product, how to build it, and how to scale a company really quickly.
Ultimately, you get a lot of founder-level agency responsibility, but with the luxury of having a strong team around you, funding in place.
What's it like at Omnea?
We've got a lot of ex-founders, and you can see that they operate in a different way, right? It's incredibly self-driven, self-motivated. I think most people at Omnia are built a bit differently. They seek out actively hard things, hard challenges.
We want to create an environment where entrepreneurial people come to do their best work, to meet amazing people, and to build a great company.